ngifuna ukumemezela ukuthi the prayer line is open now for 2026 officially. Njoba besivalile last year. What is going to happen from now on? We are not going to call anyone simbizele kwi-prayer line again. Ilona loyo othanda ukuza kwi-prayer line, ngicela ungenzele kanje. You phone the call center, you arrange ukuthi you are coming and uzoba ku-prayer line and baku-arrangele ukuthi uzofika nini kanjani so that sizolandela indlela efanele. Abazalwane nathi sibafonela for 3 years back besine backlog bazalwane, kunento eningi kade sizenza. Abazalwane nathi befike IBM bekhulekelwa, abanye kwenzekile abanye akwenzekanga, bekubiza sikhave labo bantu ngokwesikhalo sakwamoya. Now and then bengilokhu prophet ngithi ukuphubani ngifuneleni ubani uNkulunkulu uthi ngize ngafinyelela la sengiqeda khona ukwenza lokho. So now the prayer line is open every weekend. If you decide to come with prayer line, listen to me careful. If you decide to go with prayer line, ngicela ungenzele kanje. Don't come Saturday, don't come Sunday. Mawuza ku prayer line uzofika Friday. Make sure ukuthi uzoba Friday, Saturday, Sunday ku prayer line. Okay? Uma decide ukuba ku prayer line this year, from now on, I don't accept umzalwane ofika ku prayer line athi prayer line then but ngizobe sleep out. In reality you don't understand what kwenzakalani kwamoya. Iyayidisturb process kaNkulunkulu ye healing and deliverance in your life. Ma uza ku prayer line, we know where you come from, une title obizwa ngayo kuthiwa usibanibani. They respect you la ukhamba khona. But if you decide to come with prayer line, please ngenzele kanje. Iza ku prayer line, mawuza ku prayer line uzofuna ukusizakala, ungalokho sikhotsha uthi angithanda ikhamera isengakimi, ongangithanda ukwenza ku1 no 2 no 3. Yiza uzofuna ukusizakala ungenamthetho eminingi. The challenge that I'm facing right now, kunabazana no come with prayer line bazosizakala kodwa unemthetho eminingi akafuna ukufika ishaya ngaphambili. 2, listen abasebenzi bakuleli bandla. As ngithi ngizobe ngine training now, I train them and I also pray for them ukuze benze umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu ngokwethembeka nangokwesaba uNkulunkulu. I-pressure yabazalwane baningi. Kuyenzeka abazalwane uyamazi namsebenzi osebenza home affairs unenhliziyo encane uthi usama ethi awekho amabhasi awukazofuna ibhasi. Yabo, nibabekezelele bazalwane abaholi ngokusebenza ebandleni kodwa banikele ngemphefumulo yabo nangenhliziyo zabo ukuthi bancede ibandla. Ukunceda kwabo ukunceda nawe oze ku prayer line ukuthi you must have food. Kunabantu abasekitchen abanikele impilo zabo ukuthi bayapheka benza sure ukuthi you eat. Secondly, kunabantu aba responsible ukuthi they clean this place, they clean even the toilets lands when ni busy ngakhona. I don't pay them. They dedicate themselves ukuthi benze umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu. I know you are going to leave tomorrow. Kunabazana nabazongena la bazowasha indwangu, bazolekelela ebandleni. Tuesday kunabanye aba-ayinayo. I don't pay them. They dedicate themselves, basacrifice ngesikhathi sabo to do the work of the Lord. Nabazalwane abasebenza from the prayer mountain, abanye basebenza la kwi-maintenance yalekhaya. You know, niyangazi ukuthi umuntu onjani ngifuna yonke into athi ngaqonda ngelanga eli-1. So bahlonipheni abazalwane abasebenzayo. Don't ungalokubanikeza amagama.